Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can get notified when people share albums with you or delete albums shared with you on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen or in the app screen, open up the Gallery app. In here, tap on the menu key at the bottom, then tap on Settings from the pop-up. Next, we go down and then tap on Share Album Notifications. Tap on the left-hand side panel. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch on notifications for the Share Album. Then go down and tap on Share Albums. Tap on the toggle button and make sure it is turned on. Once this is switched on, you will get notified when people share albums with you or delete albums shared with you. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your gallery or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.